Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. It's time. Back in the kitchen. Okay. My son put a request in. He wants crab mac. Okay, and I make a crab macaroni and cheese, and he loves it. So I figured I'll go ahead and make it and make a video and include you in with it. Okay. This is not, all right, I repeat, this is not the overruling way to make mac and cheese. This is how I do it in my house. All right. There's like 9.3 billion people who make mac and cheese, two of which are my mom, Beverly Martin in Philadelphia. She makes almost the best, but my sister, look, gift basket appeal. She makes a mac and cheese that'll make you run on the street in your underwear. Okay, it is amazing. I love it. So I'm not trying to beat theirs. I just do mine. I stay in my lane. Okay, so this is our mac and cheese. So this is what we're going to be working with today. Okay, I've got some mozzarella. All right, mozzarella. Some red sharp cheddar, and this is Colby Jack. I got some crab meat here that I peeled up earlier today. I got onions. Yeah, you know he doesn't like onions, so this is gonna be for another batch, okay? Got some butter, a stick and a half of butter here, 2 eggs, and heavy cream. And I've got some good old-fashioned Pam. That's what I prep my pans with, okay? And I boiled these elbows here earlier, okay? You don't want to sit watching me on a video for 900 hours doing boiling elbow noodles, okay? All right, so this is what we got. We got our noodles done. We're gonna wash our hands here a little bit. We're gonna be digging in. All right, so let's make this painless as possible. In my noodles, okay, I'm gonna throw my mozzarella, all right? I'm gonna throw my colby that I shredded up today, okay? All right, and then I'm gonna throw half of my cheddar, because I'm gonna use the other half of it to make a topping on the mac, okay? And then we're gonna let's mix that up a little bit there, okay? Now you could do it in a pan, all right? There's no rules, just like in quilting. Don't get wrapped around the wheel on it. It's only macaroni and cheese, okay? It's not like brain surgery or The Good Doctor like my wife likes to watch, okay? Here we go. So I'm gonna throw in my butter, my butter. Okay, stick and a half, 2 eggs. I'm gonna throw in my heavy cream. All right, let's take this in here. And we're gonna go in, okay? Just gonna mix it up there. Try to make sure everybody gets a little taste of what's going on and what's about to happen. It's a party. It's a cheesy party, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Everybody's swimming in the cheesy party. Cheesy party for everybody. Okay? Now for the ultimate. Crab meat to Maximus. Alright? Throw my crab meat in there. Crab meat is in. Noodles are happy. Let's break that up a little bit there. All right, when they have big pieces, you like to try to break them up into smaller pieces. Not too small though. Kind of like, you kind of want the chunkiness of that, okay? But not too chunky, where somebody's eating a whole crab leg in their crab mac, okay? Okay, so my wife's picking out pieces. Hey, get out of here. All right, look at that. So it's nice and mixed up. Everybody's in the party. Everybody's getting a little piece, okay? Look at that. Look at that. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and add a little more cheese here. I'm not going to use the topping. Let's just throw this cheese all in there. Hey, this is the way we do it here. I'm not trying to save anything here. Let's mix that all in. Okay, look at that. Pretty simple, right? Looks pretty simple. It is. All right, so let's put a little more. All right, heavy cream's all in. Ooh, nice. All right, so you want to make sure you get all the good stuff off your hands before you go wash your hands. You don't want to be getting rid of none of that, the good stuff. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands here. All right, so in the description, we're gonna have the amounts of stuff that I use, okay? So over here are my pans. And I'm just gonna coat my pan with some Pam. I'm coating my pan with some Pam, okay? Look at that. I only do that because I hate when it's like all sticking to the glass. I hate that. It's a weird thing I have going on. All right, so the first pan, let's go ahead and pour it in. All right, not even be shy about it. Let's get it all in there. Nice, okay, nice. Let's get that down in there. Get that down in there. All right, so the second pan, this is the pan that I'm gonna throw onions in because he doesn't like onions, but I do. So let's throw the onion in and give that a mix, okay? All right, so we got a crab mac with onion and a crab mac without. So this will go in the second pan. Okay? Looks like a deal. Looks like it might work, okay? That's pretty much it, all right? It's not rocket science, it's just like quilting. Put your own spin on it. Can't hurt. It's pretty simple. It's not rocket science, all right? No one's gonna lose their life over mac and cheese. Look at that. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Go ahead and smooth this out a little bit. There's. Get that smoothed out. So what I got is the oven is preheated on 350, and I'm gonna let these sit in the oven for an hour, maybe an hour, 10 minutes, just to get it boiling. So what I'll do is once it's cooked up, we'll take a still photo, maybe a video of it cooking, maybe, I don't know. But this is it. I mean, it's pretty simple. So if you want to throw like a quick spin on it, I've got some plain breadcrumb. All right, throw some plain breadcrumb on there, just to be weird. Okay, just for a little topping, that's all. We only use it on one, okay? And that's it. So I'm gonna throw it in the pan, I'm gonna throw it in the oven, and let them cook for like an hour, and then we'll pull it out, we'll take a look at it, and then maybe eat, okay? It's simple, crab mac, all right? There's no rocket science to this, okay? This is how we eat. I hope you're eating. Remember, it's only food, and it's only fire. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. And don't subscribe for the food, subscribe for the quilts.